Google just dropped a massive bombshell in the AI world with their latest image generation model, Nano Banana 2. Powered by the cutting-edge Gemini 3.1 flash image, it promises to bridge the gap between lightning-fast generation speeds and absolute top-tier, studio-quality creative control. Today, we are going to dive deep into every single new feature they announced in their blog post and put them to the ultimate test right here in the Gemini app to see if it truly lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk about advanced world knowledge. Google claims this model is directly connected to Gemini's real-world knowledge base, allowing it to accurately render specific buildings, locations, and subjects from real-time web data instead of just hallucinating generic shapes. To test this, I asked Gemini to generate an image of the Taj Mahal in Agra, but I wanted it in the highly stylized look of a 1920s Art Deco travel poster. The results are absolutely phenomenal. If we open up a new tab and pull up real photos of the Taj Mahal on Google Images to compare, you can see the AI completely nailed it. It accurately captured the exact architectural details, the central main dome, the four surrounding minarets, and the iconic reflecting pool, while flawlessly applying that vintage vector-style artistic filter just like I asked. Next, Google states that this deep understanding extends to creating complex infographics and data visualizations. I tested this by asking for an infographic explaining how a mechanical watch works, specifically requesting the inclusion of the mainspring and escapement using a clean, modern design. AI usually struggles heavily with structured, logical layouts, but look at this result. Nano Banana 2 perfectly mapped out the power source, the transmission gear train, the escapement, and the display. All the labels make sense, the arrows logically point to the correct mechanical components, and the overall design looks like a professionally crafted graphic you would see in a magazine. Now, let's move on to one of the biggest historical point pains for AI: text. Nano Banana 2 introduces precision text rendering, promising highly accurate and legible text with correct spelling for things like marketing mockups and designs. For this, I gave it a really tough, multi-layered prompt, a vintage 1980s VHS tape sleeve design for a fake sci-fi movie called Neon Horizon, and I specifically asked for a legible synopsis, a cast list, and runtime info on the back panel. The result is genuinely mind-blowing. The typography for the Neon Horizon title is stylized perfectly without any weird artifacting. But the real magic is when we zoom in on the back panel. It generated a full, cohesive synopsis, a realistic cast list, and even the copyright and runtime details at the bottom. This is an absolute game-changer for graphic designers. Another massive upgrade is an enhanced creative control, specifically subject consistency. Google claims you can maintain character and object resemblance perfectly in a single workflow, up to 5 characters and 14 objects. I put this to the test by asking for a 4-panel comic strip featuring the exact same character, a stressed-out barista with messy hair wearing a green apron and blue glasses with a different facial expression in every single scene. As we look at the comic, the consistency is flawless. Across all 4 panels, the messy hair, the blue glasses, the uniform, and the facial structure remain completely identical, only altering his expressions to show him getting more and more overwhelmed. If you're a storyteller or storyboard artist, this is exactly what you've been waiting for. But what about complex photographic prompts and formatting? Nano Banana 2 features precise instruction following and production-ready specs, allowing full control over aspect ratios and resolutions up to 4K, paired with a massive visual fidelity upgrade for richer textures and vibrant lighting. I prompted a wide cinematic shot of a snowy cobblestone street in a medieval fantasy village at dusk, asking for warm, glowing lanterns reflecting on wet cobblestones, a mysterious hooded figure in the foreground, a shallow depth of field, and shot on 35mm film. The atmospheric lighting, the sharp reflections, and the film grain are cinematic perfection. But here's where it gets crazy. I simply gave it a follow-up prompt to change to vertical 9:16 to test its aspect ratio control. It seamlessly regenerated the exact same highly detailed scene and kept our mysterious figure perfectly framed for a mobile phone format screen without losing any of that visual fidelity. Finally, I had to test its raw photorealistic capabilities to see if we could spot any AI artifacts. I asked for a hyper-realistic, photorealistic portrait of a man in a black shirt and sunglasses drinking coffee at a sunny street cafe in Milan, shot on a DSLR. Look at the sheer level of detail here. The texture of the clothing, the realistic skin tones, the reflections bouncing off the sunglasses, and the completely natural-looking hands holding the coffee cup. It effortlessly blends the subject into the bustling depth of the background. It's practically indistinguishable from a real photograph taken on a high-end camera. Nano Banana 2 is an absolute powerhouse, successfully combining insane generation speed with unparalleled pro-level capabilities, from perfectly spelled text and logical infographics to flawless subject consistency and stunning photorealism. Google has set a massive new standard. If you found this deep dive helpful and want to stay updated on all the latest AI breakthroughs, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and let me know down in the comments which of these new features blew your mind the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.